Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the video open and playing. This lets you change size immediately. First, make sure you're signed in if you want persistent settings, and choose desktop or app since controls differ. On desktop, hover to reveal the player toolbar. On mobile, tap the screen. Once done, note the aspect ratio so you know why black bars or crop appear. Make sure browser zoom is 100% and device rotation lock is off. These factors directly affect how the player scales. Now you'll alter the player to get the size you want. Click theater mode to widen the video without hiding other page elements, then toggle full screen to occupy the whole screen. This forces the player to scale to your display. If you need a custom fit, change browser zoom, Control+ or Control on desktop, or set zoom to 100% for native scaling. On mobile, rotate to landscape and pinch to zoom, or use the full screen gesture in the app to remove letterboxing or maximize vertical. Finish by confirming the sizing works across playback and linked controls. Exit and re-enter full screen if the player looks cropped. This often forces the correct scale. Make sure playback quality matches your screen. Selecting 1080p or 4K prevents soft, stretched images on large displays. If resizing still fails, reload the page, clear cache, or try a different browser to rule out extensions. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable hardware acceleration or update your graphics drivers if full screen behaves erratically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.